Hi bot builders, welcome to Camp Witch Doctor. I'm Andrea lately from Team Witch Doctor on the TV show BattleBots, and with me today is our first camper, Claudia, who's going to build her very first robot with us.
I'm really excited to be here. Building this bot with you is going to be so much fun.
Yeah, I can't wait to get started. This is a robot kit, but it's really special because it's actually designed for young builders. So ages 8 and up, we're going to take you from being a fan of the TV show to building your very first robot. So you're going to go from fan to robot builder today. If you're watching this video series, chances are you already picked up one of these robot kits or you're waiting for it to arrive in the mail. If you don't have a robot kit yet, go ahead and watch the rest of this video so you can get a better feel for the robots are like, and then head over to our website to pick up your own. So one thing that I really went out of my way to do is make sure that these kits are safe to use at home so that you don't need a big expensive arena to become a bot builder. So maybe you live in an area where there's a ton of robot tournaments, and maybe you've even been able to attend one and you want to get started. In that case, these robots are all in the 1 pound plastic weight class, so you can go ahead and get started right away in those tournaments. But most BattleBots fans actually live in areas that don't have local tournaments, and up to now it's been really hard for them to get started. So these robot kits are safe to use in your living room. You can fight against your little brother if they have their own robot. And the best part about that is that you can get a ton of driving practice because you don't have to wait until you're at an arena to be able to test your robot. I designed the Camp Witch Doctor build box to be great for kids 8 and up to build. Now you're a little bit older than that. So one thing that's really exciting about this is that all of the components that I selected for these robots, so the motors, the speed controllers, all these concepts that we're going to learn in the next few videos, they're actually the same parts that are used even in the most competitive robots. So let's say you absolutely love this, you're hooked on the sport, you start learning 3D modeling on the computer, you want to design your own robot frame, you can actually take all of the inside parts from this robot and use it for your new robot. So there's a lot of room to grow. You'll start with a beginner robot, and I hope to see you at future events with a much more advanced robot later on. The first step is that you're going to have to choose which robot you want to build. So these are the options that we have right here. There's going to be a total of 10 options up on our website. So I'm putting you on the spot because I haven't given you a lot of time to think about it, but which robot would you like to build today?
I want to hit the competition out of the park.
Sounds good. I have to say the hammer robots are super fun because you can just use your weapon all the time. You don't have to wait for that perfect hit. So before we build your robot, very important is we have to look like a robot builder. So for you, I have this Camp Witch Doctor t-shirt so you can wear it and then we can get started. Sound good?
Yeah.
All right, we'll be right back. All right, welcome back. Now you look like a robot builder. So in these series of videos, I'm going to walk Claudia through building her first robot step by step, and at the same time we'll talk through all the engineering concepts and the science behind the robot, so when you're ready to design and build your own robot, you'll know all the concepts you need to get started. So let's start by opening up this kit and seeing what's in it. Sound good?
Yeah.